Hi again, it's me, Daniel from Exo Photography. I was thinking I might do a quick update on how I mount the camera onto the focuser because I think I might have an issue with these thumb screws pinching the optics inside the corrector lens. So I have gotten this adapter machined, so I will exchange this collar where the thumb screws is attached and attach this threaded adapter instead. It's a very snug fit. It's from M86 threads to M82 threads on this one. This is the adapter. I have drawn just a quick sketch in SketchUp program. You can use this program to make a model if you want to 3D print or something too. So it's an easy, fast program. So this adapter has a male thread that is M86 86 millimeter, M86 times 1. That means that one revolution has 1 millimeters of thread length. This side will be screwed into the focuser, exchanging the collar which has the thumb screws today, and the corrector lens will be put in from this side here, and the inner diameter I have drawn it 0.1 millimeter larger than the corrector, so I believe it will support the corrector very nicely. And the threads on this side is M82 times 1, and that's the same. It's an 82 millimeter thread which has 1 millimeter thread length on one revolution. So I got this machine from a local shop here in my town, or just outside of my town, and it was amazingly how well put together this was. Brilliantly machined. So we will test this, and I hope this will be good. Okay, so I think I have managed to get this properly aligned. I want my filter wheel pointing in the direction from the mount, so I don't accidentally hit the mount with my filter wheel. So I had to rotate the adapter for the filter wheel, which you can see earlier, and I have now a really sturdy fit without the thumb screw. So I really hope that this solution helps with not getting the pinched optics, or if it was that. So I will do some more test images, and I really hope that this will do it. If you like my channel, please subscribe to it and you will get notified when I have uploaded some new videos.